What is Venom University? Well, Venom University is the much needed collegiate experience for cosmetology students who are seeking to pursue further education in the field and want to niche down and get specific after completing their beauty school education. As you may or may not know, the beauty school experience is designed to be a fundamental base level education that prepares students for testing at the state boards. It does not give niche specific skills such as lashes, braiding, natural hair care, weaves, things that students may actually want to pursue. And it's justifiably so. The state boards within themselves are tedious and arduous, and they do require a lot of studying and focus to be successful in passing them. Well, where would you get that experience then that you need? I myself started in high school in the technical center program that my school offered, that my county offered, and I did my first year. I also went natural around that same time, and natural just means that I stopped getting relaxers and started to embrace and experience my natural curl pattern without those chemical relaxers. What I found is that that was not something that was covered in the curriculum, and I found myself struggling. It didn't make sense to me to become a stylist and not even know how to care for my own hair, let alone other people's hair who look like me. So, not choosing not to continue my second year afforded me the opportunity to do several internships, several valuable and enriching internships and apprenticeships at different salons. I was able to gather lots of valuable information, industry information from industry professionals who have been in the game a long time. And that allowed me to develop my own foundation and basis to work from. And it also allowed me to become a protective styling specialist, which taught me and enabled me and provided me with the information and skill set to create my own training for full service protective styling specialist, or our healthy hair doctor program here at Venom University. So in short, I saw the gaps in the industry and how beauty school just doesn't give you everything you need to know if you are seeking to be a successful, competent, well compensated, and confident professional in the field. It does give you a good foundation and a good experience as far as understanding what it takes to be a cosmetologist, but it does require continuing education. Most times that continuing education would consist of individual classes that you take at hair shows, at beauty supply stores, professional beauty supply stores, and then other independent stylists who are offering certifications and trainings in certain niche areas. I decided to just put them all in one place to make it a collegiate experience. With my extensive background in marketing, business management, customer service, and just overall creative expertise as an artist, I decided why not put it all in one place and create a university that simplifies the process. I myself have been braiding for 13 years, but everything that I did to become a full service braider, a full-time braider within the past 4 years is really principle based, and it's all duplicatable. So every step that I took, I reverse engineered it and developed the curriculum that we use here at Venom University, which is very duplicatable, and it has all been set up and designed in a way to help students get up to speed with their career choice, their niche career choice within 30 to 90 days, depending on their experience level and their work ethic. So this is different than traditional school because it does not have a time frame, a set time frame. Your work ethic, your motivation, your charisma determines how quick you finish the program, how fast you get through all the fundamentals and all the components of the program. Venom University features online training as well that can be completed at the comfort or in the comfort of students' own home, so they do not have to be here in person. It is a hybrid course. The first thing that they do learn is a hands-on training, but the healthy hair care portion can be completed at home. The theory portion of it, the theory portion of the braiding, all of the things that we teach that enables students to create their own successful business can be completed from the comfort of their home. And that is one of the components that makes this program so exciting, and it makes us able, or enables us to be able to accommodate more students than we normally would. And we're able to expand our reach beyond our physical location, which is inside of Diamond Venom Braiding Studio. So the program that we currently have hands on right now is the Diamond Venom Braiding Studio program, which will teach students who are interested in braiding and natural hair care how to be a full service healthy protective styling specialist, or in short, a healthy hair doctor. They will understand the anatomy of the hair and scalp. They will understand healthy hair care practices, product knowledge, how to prevent traction alopecia. They will understand sanitation and disinfection, and how not to spread communicable diseases, which is something that compounds upon what they've already learned in beauty school. We are excited to be partnered with several beauty schools in our local area, and we welcome anyone who is a graduate of beauty school, who has received their credits, who is set for their state board and is tested or is preparing to, and even independent braiders who have taught themselves and are just looking for the help with that next step. In addition to the technical skills that we help with, we also help with soft skills and business acumen, such as customer service, booking links, organization, business plans, how to prepare yourself for growth, because your next level is inevitable when you set yourself up for success with Venom University. I hope this was helpful in explaining why we came to be, how we came to be, who we're here to help, and what our mission is. Stay tuned for more information. If you like this video, make sure that you give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more information by hitting that notification bell and the subscription button below. Peace.